Hi everyone, welcome to Data Intelligence. Myself Jai. So finally we are at the video of study plan for Azure certification exam using Microsoft Learn. So the first examination which we are going to discuss is DP 900, which is Microsoft Azure Data Fundamentals. So let's get into the video. So here this video helps you the roadmap how you can clear this examination. So I'll just show you how you have to prepare for this examination and how you can do your preparation with the real-time questions and everything. So here this is a roadmap to DP 900. So here you can see this roadmap. So first what you have to learn is what is DP 900, and you have to understand the syllabus for DP 900. So this is the first step for this roadmap. And next you have to schedule, and you have to get your free voucher, which I have explained in my previous video, like how to book your examination for free for the Azure certification. Okay, so next then you have to learn about what is the exam format and the duration and everything. So once you book your examination, you can have a clear idea about the format and the duration. So next you have to understand the question pattern and the different type of question formats which will be asking in this examination. Okay, then you have to practice with your real exam questions. So in my future videos I'll be uploading with the real exam questions, and we'll be discussing about the answers and how to approach the questions. So in my future video I'll be explaining you how to handle the real time questions and how you should answer. So please keep supporting my channel and keep follow my channel to get your real time exam questions and your answers and how to answer it. Okay, and this is the roadmap shows you how you have to prepare for DP 900. Okay, so next, as I mentioned before, like you should know what is DP 900. So here you will be having some of the topics which you should cover under DP 900, and who should do DP 900. So the people who wants to work with data in the cloud will do the DP 900 basic examination. Okay, so why we have to do a DP 900? So the person who is having love to data and who want to be in the data domain and who are in the data field can do this DP 900 examination. Okay, hope it makes sense. And now we'll move on to the Microsoft Learn DP 900 page. So I'll be providing this link in your description, or else you can just search for Microsoft Learn in Google. So and then you can click for the first link, that is training Microsoft Learn. Okay, so once you click this link, then you will see the window where you can see the tabs for documentation, training, certification, code samples, and everything. So here you can choose the certifications. Okay, if you click on the certifications, here you can see the certifications by role. So if you are in any specific designation, you can just search for your role, and if you are going to train yourself for data engineer, then you can click on this data engineer link. Okay, so once you click on this data engineer, here it will shows the all the examinations which the data engineer can do. So here if you see in the first one, it's DP 203, it's for the intermediate level for Azure data engineer, and this is the for developer, and this is for the basic beginner database administrator, which is the basic examination, fundamental examination with Azure. And this is the for the developer, and for this is for the data engineer. And here you may have a confusion, like here you can see one is the exam and one is the certification. What it means is, like if you take any one exam, that is obviously if you clear the examination you will earn the certification. That's it. So there is not much difference between this exam and certification. So once you clear the examination you can get the certification. That's it. So hope it's clear, like if you select your role you will have the set of examination or certification, and it will give you a path like how you have to prepare and everything. Okay, and in DP 900 The skills have measured based on this four titles. That is, one is to describe the core data concepts, which is about 25 to 30 percentage, and next is identify considerations for relational data on Azure, which is about 20 to 25 percentage, and the consideration for working with a non-relational data on Azure, that is 15 to 20 percentage, and this is the analytical workload on Azure, which is 25 to 30 percentage. So mostly the first topic and second topic have the more percentage for evaluating these examinations. Okay, for preparing the examination we have two phases, that is, one is self-paced and the instructor led. So if you are choosing the instructor led way of preparation, like you need, if you are preparing as a group, for example, if your company or if your college or if your institution, any academic institution, or are supporting to prepare for this examination, then you can approach the Microsoft Learn, okay, organizers for the instructor led preparation. Okay, then if you are preparing on your one, then you have to choose the self-paced one. So okay, and for the self-paced one, this is the module, these are the modules which you have to prepare for the DP900 Azure Data Fundamental Examination. Okay, so here this is the first topic, that is explore the core data concepts. It includes two models. Okay, and here in the explore the relational data also have two modules, and non-relational data have two modules, and in data analytics in Azure have three modules. So once you have done with all the learning parts, you can see the mark completed. So once you have completed everything, it will give you all the basic information for preparing this examination and the basic concepts how you have to approach. Okay, so next is the exam source resources. So in the website you can see, like you can see the journey of two certifications, like how you have to prepare and everything, and this is the training and certification guide and your certification exam policies and FAQs and support for certification examinations. So these are the links where you can get all the resources for your examination, so you can just go through it. That's absolutely fine. Okay, and this is schedule exam. So this is the way how you can schedule your exam. Okay, so in my previous video I explained you how to get your free exam voucher for booking the Azure Fundamental Examination and how to enroll for the Microsoft Virtual Training Day. So it will be really useful for you. So I request the viewers to watch that video, like how you can book your free examination, and then you can book your examination without paying a penny. Okay, so you can refer that video. So I will be giving the link for the video in the description also. You can refer that video. Okay, and these are the type of questions which will be asking in the examination DP900. Okay, so here it can be of any drop down menu, or it can be of yes or no with the statements, or it can be a drag and drop, like you have to match for which purpose you are using and everything, and as a multiple choice, multiple correct answers. So there will be maybe more than one answers may be correct, so you have to choose any two answers or more than one answers, obviously. So these are the type of question formats they will be asking in the TP900 examination. So in my future video I will be explaining about with the real-time questions, like how to approach that question and give your answers. Okay, hope it will be helpful for you. So if you have any queries, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, and the key takeaways from this video is that you have to understand the DP900 certification and whether you have to decide whether it is for you. So if you want to enter into the data domain, this DP900 certificate will be definitely useful for you, and you should understand and you should know the entire scheduling process for the examination, okay, to get your certification. And you should have the in-depth understanding of the DP900 syllabus, and you have to understand the different types of questions and the time for the preparations. Okay, you should have all this knowledge. Okay, and then you have to practice with the real exam questions. Okay, so these are the key takeaways from this video. Hope it gives you a clear idea like how you have to prepare for the examination now. So thanks for watching. Keep supporting the Data Intelligence channel. Give a like, and if you have any queries, feel free to subscribe my channel, and if you can ask any queries in the comment section also. So thanks for watching. Thank you so much.